Hello, candidates, and welcome to Government Crackers. So, sports has been a very important segment. It may be static या current affairs जो examination में आपके बहुत ज़्यादा हद तक पूछा जाता है. So here I'll be discussing the complete static sports GK का part, which from examination point of view is very important and has very high chances to come into the examination. So you'll be getting such series one by one, and for that you need to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Government Crackers so that you can be a part of that series. And also apart from, there are various courses available, so you need to visit www.governmentcrackers.com. You'll be getting complete course and all the free stuffs available related with the course, and the materials are very concise and precise to study for a relevant examination. तो आपको notes बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं. You will be getting video lectures which are very easy to learn, and you will be getting the exact PDFs and compilations by the experts. So coming to various sports and the number of players. So very few sports और उनके number of players कभी कभी examination में पूछ लिया जाता है. It is very often and we actually get confused. तो I have selected few sports जिनके previous last 10 या 15 years में question पूछे गए हैं, and we'll be discussing about that only. So the very first is your baseball. Baseball में each team on each side basically there are 9 members. For rugby football it is 15 members. Polo is 4 and water polo has 7. Kho has 9 players. Kabaddi has 7 players. Hockey, football, cricket, these have common, that is 11 players each side. Netball has 7, volleyball has 6, badminton, tennis and table tennis, depending upon singles and doubles, it has 1 or 2 players respectively. Coming to basketball, it is 5 players. Gymnastic, there are several कॉम्पिटिटेंट्स साइमल्टेनियसली सेवरल इंडिविजुअल्स, तो यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ प्लेयर्स नहीं होते आपके. बिलियर्ड्स और स्नूकर्स में इट इज 1, बॉक्सिंग और चेस में इट इज 1, ब्रिज इज 2, croquet is 13 or 15, golf there are again several individuals who are competing, and lacrosse that is 12. So these are all the important sports जो आपसे एग्जामिनेशन में, डिफेंस एग्जामिनेशंस में कवर कराए जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू स्पोर्ट्स एंड द ट्रॉफीज. सो इम्पॉर्टेंट वन डिस्कस करेंगे. सी मैंने यहाँ पे कंपाइल कर दिया आपके स्पोर्ट्स वाइज. सो फॉर हॉकी इट इज़ योर आगा खान कप, बेगम रासूल ट्रॉफी फॉर वुमेन्स, महाराजा रंजीत सिंह गोल्ड कप, लेडी रतन टाटा ट्रॉफी फॉर वुमेन्स, गुरु नानक चैंपियनशिप फॉर वुमेन्स, ध्यानचंद ट्रॉफी, नेहरू ट्रॉफी, सिंधिया गोल्ड कप, मुरुगप्पा गोल्ड कप, वेलिंगटन कप. सो दीज आर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हॉकी. प्लीज आप इनको जो है मेमोराइज करने की कोशिश करिए. कमिंग टू फुटबॉल इट इज़ अ वेरी लॉन्ग लिस्ट. सो हियर इट इज़ बेगम हजरत महल कप, बिल्ट कप, बोर्डुलाय कप, कोलंबो कप, कन्फेडरेशन कप, DCM ट्रॉफी, दुरंत कप, रोवर्स कप, BC राय ट्रॉफी फॉर नेशनल चैंपियनशिप, FIFA World Cup is there, Jules Rimet Trophy is there, Kalanga Cup is there, Santosh Trophy National Championship, IFA Shield, Scissor Cup, Subroto Mukherjee Cup, Sir Ashutosh Mukherjee Trophy, Toad Memorial Trophy and Vital Trophy. Coming to cricket, cricket has the very long list among the trophies that have been provided. So starting from first, it is your Anthony D. Mello Trophy, Ashes Asia Cup, Benson and Hedges Cup, Bose Trophy, Champions Trophy, Charminar Challenger Cup, CK Naidu Trophy, Cooch Behar Trophy, Deodhar Trophy, Duleep Trophy, Gavaskar Border Trophy, GD Birla Trophy, Gillette Cup, Irani Trophy, Interface Cup, Jawaharlal Nehru Cup, Lombard World Challenge Cup, McDowell's Challengers Cup, Merchant Cup, Moind Un Dawla Cup, NatWest Trophy, Prudential Cup, Rani Jhansi Trophy, Ranji Trophy, Rohinton Beria Cup, Rothmanis Cup, Sahara Cup, Sharjah Cup, Sheesh Mahal Trophy, Sir Frank Worrell, Texac Cup, Titan Cup, Vijay Hazare Trophy, Vijay Merchant Trophy, Wizzy Trophy, Wisden Trophy, Wills Trophy, World Series Cup. So ये सारे आपके जो हैं ये आपके क्रिकेट रिलेटेड ट्रॉफीज हैं. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू मेमोराइज बिकॉज देर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टैटिक जीकेस जो आपको पढ़ने की जरूरत है. एंड आउट ऑफ दैट डिफेंस एंड स्पोर्ट्स आर वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट विच आर गिवन इंपॉर्टेंस. कमिंग टू टेबल टेनिस, इट इज बर्ना बेलैक for men, Corbellian Cup for women, Jay Lakshmi Up for women, Rajkumari Challenge Cup Women Junior, Ramanuja Trophy Men Junior, Travancore Cup Women, and Swatling Cup Men. For badminton, it is Agarwal Cup, Amrit Diwan Cup, Asia Cup, Australasia Cup, Chadda Cup, European Cup, Harilela Cup, Ibrahim Rahimutullah Challenger Cup, Konica Cup, Narang Cup, Tunku, Abdul Rahman Cup, Uber Cup, World Cup, and Yonex Cup. These are for badminton. For bridge, it is Basat Jha Trophy, Holkar Trophy, Ruya Gold Cup, and Singhania Trophy. For polo, it is Ezra Cup, Gold Cup, Kings Cup, Prithvipal Singh Cup, Radha Mohan Cup, Winchester Cup. For athletics, it is Charminar Cup, Trophy, and Federation Cup. For air racing, it is Jawaharlal Challenge Trophy, Kings Cup, and Schneider Cup. For billiards, it is Arthur Warkle Trophy or Thomas Cup. For boxing, it is Apsi Adhajia Trophy, Federation Cup, Wahlberger Trophy. For golf, it is Canada Cup, Eisenhower Trophy, Muthia Gold Cup, Nomura Trophy, President's Trophy, Prince of Wales Cup, Ryder Cup, Solheim Cup, Torpilino Trophy, Walker Cup, or World Cup. Coming to chess, it is Naidu Trophy, Khaitan Trophy, Limca Trophy, Link Eric City Trophy, and World Cup. For horse racing, it is Beresford Cup, Blue Ribbon Cup, Derby, Grand National Cup. So at least try to memorize the famous one, but abhi aapke paas time hai, so you can actually go through them all because these are very important. And at times with the level of difficulty, at times ye questions aapse पूछ ले जाते हैं and then we say कि ये तो out of the box question पूछा गया था, but actually these things are very new in common. And in the last recent papers, these questions have been asked in some other manner. So I am just here compiling up all the static sports in one particular place. For horse racing, I told you. Now coming to netball, it is Antrao Power Trophy. For rugby, it is Bledsoe Cup, Calcutta Cup, and Webb Ellis Trophy. For shooting, it is North Wales Cup, Welsh Grand Prix. For volleyball, it is Citential Cup, Federation Cup, Indra Pradhan Trophy, and Shivanti Gold Cup. Yachting is America Cup. For basketball, this is Basal Jha Trophy, BC Gupta Trophy, Federation Cup, SM Arjuna Raja Trophy, Toad Memorial Trophy, William Jones Cup, Bangalore Blues Challenge Cup, and Nehru Federation Cup. ठीक है, Nehru Cup. So these are important cups and trophies that are being given for various sports. Now coming to the sports of various countries, like famous countries और उनसे related sports भी पूछ लिया जाता है. So for United States of America, it is baseball. National sports जिसे आप कह सकते हैं. For Spain, it is bullfighting. For Canada, it is ice hockey. For India, it is hockey. For Russia, it is chess. Scotland, rugby football. England, cricket. Japan, jiu-jitsu. Australia, cricket and tennis. Pakistan and India, they have hockey. And China, they have table tennis. The various fields, what are the fields of various sports known as? So for court कई terms में use होता है. It is for your tennis, badminton, netball, handball, volleyball, squash, kho-kho and kabaddi. Diamond is in terms of baseball, pool for swimming, board for table tennis, mat for judo, karate or taekwondo, arena for horse riding, and velodrome for cycling. Board for table tennis, mat for judo, karate as I said, field for polo, hockey, volleyball, track for athletics, pitch, greens and balls for cricket, range for shooting or archery, ring and curling for ice hockey, ring for skating, boxing, course for गोल्फ. नाउ व्हाट आर द टर्मिनोलॉजीज, क्योंकि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो पूछा जाता है. कोई भी टर्मिनोलॉजी दे दी और आपसे पूछा जाएगा कौन से स्पोर्ट्स को बिलोंग करता है. सो फॉर बैडमिंटन देयर आर मेनी टर्म्स. दीज आर डोज, डबल फॉल्ट, ड्रॉप शॉट, फर्स्ट हैंड, and backhand smash, hit, drop, net, love. So these are very frequent जो ask होते हैं. बाकी मैंने list काफ़ी दे दी है, तो you can go through it. I'll be telling you the important ones. Basketball में it is your pivot, which is been asked because they are little bit of technical. Then it is underhead, technical foul, overhead. For billiards and snookers, it is knockout, it is uppercut, it is welter, it is ring craft, ringside, and lead. For boxing, it is uppercut, it is footwork, it is ring craft, and lead. For chess, the most common ones are gambit, knight, stalemate, and bishop. For cricket, a number of things are there. Important ones are basically your pavilion, your spin, ashes, googly, maiden over, dead ball, overthrow, stroke, shot, follow through, hat trick, seamer, yorker, forward short leg, and then cover. For football, it is penalty kick, hat trick to make you confuse, stopper, defender, baseline, rebound. For hockey, it is hat trick, penalty corner, halfback, sudden death, left in, left out, tiebreaker, striking circle. Kabaddi, it is anti, backline, lap, mark line, rider. Tennis, it is grand slam, smash shot, grass court, drop shot, double fault, court, cross court, and secret grand stroke. For table tennis, it is late service, swirling, rally, control end, drop, deduce, counter hitting. Polo bunker, mallet, and chucker. Athletics, it is relay, hammer throw, high jump, cross country. For cycling, it is sprint, track race, and point race. Weightlifting, jerk and snatch. Bridge, master point, grand slam, perfect deals, dummy trump, trick diamond cup, heart spade. Now coming to स्टेडियम्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू इंडिया ही मैं यहाँ पे बात करने वाली हूँ. सो महाराष्ट्र में आपके कौन कौन से स्टेडियम्स हैं वो मैंने एक साथ समराइज कर दिया. तो इट इज़ योर वानखेड़े स्टेडियम, महाराष्ट्र क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन स्टेडियम, सुब्रता रॉय सहारा स्टेडियम, डी.वाई. पाटिल स्पोर्ट्स स्टेडियम, विदर्भा क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन स्टेडियम, नेहरू स्टेडियम, ब्रबॉन स्टेडियम, महिंद्रा हॉकी स्टेडियम, दादाजी Kondadev Stadium, also known as SR Bhosle. In Himachal Pradesh, you have Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association Stadium. In Delhi, you have Firoz Shah Kotla, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Major Dhyanchand National Stadium. Tamil Nadu, we have M.A. Chitambram Stadium or Cheepak Stadium. In West Bengal, it is Eden Gardens. Jharkhand में we have Jharkhand State Cricket Association. Apart from that, we have Keenan Stadium and Birsa Munda Athletic Stadium. In Gujarat, we have Saurashtra Cricket Association Stadium. Then we have Reliance Stadium or Indian Petrochemical Corporation. We have Madhav Rao Skin India Cricket Ground, and we have Montera Stadium, which is also now known as Sardar Patel Stadium, which is now the world's largest cricket stadium and the second largest sports stadium in Ahmedabad. एंड जो आपका ट्रम्प का जो प्रोग्राम हुआ था टू फॉर द सेक ऑफ प्रमोशन ऑफ प्रेसिडेंसी, वो भी आपका इसी एरिया में हुआ था. कमिंग टू एमपी, इट इज होलकर क्रिकेट स्टेडियम एंड कैप्टन रूप सिंह स्टेडियम. इन तेलंगाना वी हैव राजीव गांधी इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री स्टेडियम. फॉर आंध्र प्रदेश वी हैव विशाखापट्टनम स्टेडियम, इंदिरा गांधी स्टेडियम, इंदिरा प्रियदर्शनी स्टेडियम. Rajasthan, it is Barkatullah Khan Stadium, the Savai Mansingh Stadium, and Fort Medan. In Kerala, we have Jawaharlal Nehru International Stadium, Kerala University Stadium. For Goa, it is Fatroda, which is officially known as Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. In Jammu and Kashmir, we have Maulana Azad Stadium. In Haryana, we have Nehar Singh Stadium. In Punjab, we have Gandhi Stadium and Guru Nanak Stadium. In Odisha, we have Barabatti Stadium, Dilip Tirki Stadium, and Kalinga Stadium. In Karnataka, it is M. Chinnaswamy Stadium. For UP, it is KD Singh Babu Stadium, and we have Green Park Stadium in Kanpur. So this was a compilation for all your sports. इसके अलावा आप international stadiums भी cover कर सकते हैं. I have covered till the Indian level, and at least इतनी चीजें आपको with respect to sports, static sports आपको तैयार होनी चाहिए. So this one particular video actually covers your complete static sports which can actually be asked into the examination. So I hope this was somewhere fruitful for you. आप इसको देख के accordingly अपने notes बना सकते हैं, copy down कर सकते हैं, कुछ important terms video rewind करके देख सकते हैं. And there will be such series which will be having high demand of questions with respect to examination. So for that you can just keep watching, and we are also in the process of designing various courses with respect to your examination. There will be a very good series of videos probably by first week of December, because only last 2 months will be left. So we'll be trying our best so that you can secure good and high marks to just clear your examination. So best of luck, guys. There are videos related to syllabus, so you can go through them and watch accordingly. So I'll see you in the next session. Till then, Jai Hind.